Hey there foodies, Olivia here from Blogging Good Food. Today, we are about to embark on a journey through the tantalizing world of homemade bread rolls. Get ready to roll up your sleeves because we have got some seriously mouth-watering variations coming your way. Starting off with the classics, those soft, fluffy dinner rolls that are perfect for any meal. Picture them as little clouds of happiness. Just imagine the aroma of these golden brown delights wafting through your kitchen. For the garlic enthusiasts, these cheesy garlic rolls are an absolute delight. The aroma alone is envy-inducing. Let's take a moment to appreciate the oikoy goodness. Garlic and cheese, a match made in bread heaven. Now, let's satisfy that sweet tooth with cinnamon swirls. These are not just rolls, they are sweet, comforting embrace. Imagine waking up the aroma of cinnamon on a lazy Sunday morning. Pure bliss. Get ready to get adventurous with stuffed rolls. From spinach and feta to spicy jalapeno and cheddar. These rolls are bursting with flavors. Your taste buds are in for a treat. Trust me, they will thank you later. And who could resist the salty perfection of pretzel rolls? Not just for Oktoberfest. These cold brown delights with a satisfying crunch are a year-round sensation. Brace yourselves for pretzel perfection. So, that wraps up our bread roll adventure. Which one are you eager to try? Let us know in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to hit subscribe for more culinary escapes. Until next time, happy baking!